All right, you gonna be the first one in?
Dad, you come with me. Dad, come on, you come with me.
I don't know.
Please.
If I go with you, I'm gonna be the first one in.
Come on, go with me. Go with me. Go with me.
Callie, you gonna be the first one in?
Yeah.
Watch out, it's slippery on the rocks, okay? Slippery on the wet rocks.
Callie, why don't you let me take your towel?
Let's go.
Yeah, let me see a towel, Cal.
Dad, you go first. Dad, you go first. You go first in there.
Safe move.
You go first in there. You go first in there.
Well then, you guys gotta let go of my hand if I'm gonna be the first one in.
Come on, go first.
Looks like Cal is trying to be the first one.
That's cool.
Are you gonna go all the way in? Next step. Oh, Cal is gonna be the first one. Cal is gonna be the first one to swim.
It's cold.
It is probably cold.
Yeah.
All right, jump in. Jump.
Oh, careful, Cal. Callie, why don't you just sit on the rock, honey?
Sit on that rock right here. Sit right here.
I hear a bullfrog, Peter.
He's not happy, is he? The bullfrog.
Look at that little, is that a salamander or something in the water down there?